Hi everyone, this is my Descrit number 3. My project is called Easy Bake Kits, and it is a website where you can go and purchase a baking kit aligned with a recipe and all the materials and ingredients that you will need for that recipe will be sent to your door, with the exception of things like milk or eggs, things that will go bad if they're hot. So I'm just going to go through and show what I've done so far since the last Descrit. So recently what I've been working on is the logistics of the website, making it more user-friendly. So for example, I've been working on like the baking categories, which is the first step to the Easy Bake Kits website. So as you see, I say it's step 1. I provide a little bit of a description. Then I have different pictures below, and it says click on the picture below. So if you wanted to do, there's cakes, pies, you can customize your own. Cookies and cupcakes are the other option. So let's click on cookies. If you click on the picture, it takes you right to the tab, just like if you were to click on the menu tab up here. So this is kind of my website layout, the background, and kind of like a little bit of a description, and then it also says click on the recipe you want to try. So for cookies, I've got 3, and for each overarching category, like the cookies, cupcakes, etc., I stick with just 3 recipes. I don't know if I will add more or what. I don't want to take on too much with a project, maybe later on, but I felt as if focusing on 3 kind of gives viewers like, oh, they've got these 3 options from cookies, these from cupcakes, and can kind of like explore and decide which route they want to go. For cookies, got the classic chocolate chip, easy lemon crinkle, and a sweet sugar cookie. So I've got 2 kind of generic ones, and then a little bit of a one that's more adventurous. Something interesting I've been working on is this recipe button. So just like all the other links, if you click it, it takes you to a website where you would get the recipe, the ingredients, everything that you need, so you could review it and see if that's something that a box that you would like to purchase. The other thing that I need to add still is creating like maybe like an order it now button or something, or get me this box where they can click it. It can send them to the box, which would give them a list of all the stuff that would come within the box, as well as pricing. That's like the final thing that I have to do. Cupcakes, this tab is also very similar, has a different background layout. So I've got like a chocolate caramel coconut delight, same thing with the recipe. If you were to click that, it would take you to the recipe site. And all of these recipes are recipes that I've tried before, and that they're like some of my favorite. So I feel like even though they're not my own recipes, it's kind of like a blog of like a hodgepodge of my favorite ones, and this is how you can make it. So yeah, the customized tab will be for people that want to upload their own recipes, and then I can create the box for them. But yeah, so I still got a little bit more to work on. However, I feel like I've made some great progress, and I'm really excited with what I've got so far. So let me know of any suggestions you may have. Thanks.